Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Khushboo. So recently I have got this new Samsung Galaxy Tab. So this video is about how I got nearly 33% discount on this tab. This tab cost around 32,000 rupees, but I have got it for 22,000 rupees. So it also have a stylus with it. So this is Samsung Galaxy S6. But think about, there are many different discounts that you can get if you are a student or if you are a working professional in educational system. So you can get student discount based on your student email or your student report cards and stuff. So companies like Samsung and Apple provide these kind of discounts. So I'm going to take you to the Samsung's website where we are going to see the current rate of this product and how we can get the discounts. And not only on this product, you can get a lot of different discounts on all the Samsung products and all the Apple products. You just need to have a student ID and save your pretty money. So let me take you to the website. So as you can see.
Yes, so let's see now how we can avail the Samsung offers. So let's first go to the Samsung website. So as we can see here, the price is listed at 31,999. So they have already given us the discount of 4,000 rupees. Now what we can do is we can go to the bottom of the website. Here we will find all these rates, and then there are these links. Here we can find Samsung Student Advantage, and as we go there, these are the discounts specially for the students who want to use Samsung products. So you can see graduate to a smarter life. So these are the benefits. There is a special price discount, then free damage insurance, then affordable EMIs and easy exchange. So you can log in with your email ID, student email ID. So I'm going to just log in and log in. As you can see, this is my student discount and it is going to give me flat 10% most probably. So we can go to the Samsung tablets. And as we can see, I've chosen the option without the SIM because I really didn't think I need the SIM card in my tablet, and I am not going to use it for the calling. We can go to the buy now tab, and here we can see the all other discounts that are there. So you have blue, gray, pink. So now it is costing on 25,000 rupees, and we can get some more discounts using HDFC Bank credit card. So that's how. So I also used HDFC Bank credit card, and that's why I got the 3,000 instant discount. So this was the cheap product comparatively, but if you are going to buy any expensive thing, then HDFC Bank credit card also offers up to 15,000 of instant cashback. So that's a really great thing. So I will highly recommend you to check out these offers before buying any stuff.
I will highly recommend you to firstly search for the different discounts and coupons that you can get before buying a product, because I've seen a lot of students who never knew about Samsung educational discount, and I was like, these discounts are for students only, so we should take benefit from it. If you know ways to get discounts, definitely tell me in the comment section below. So I'm going to use this tag to make a lot of fun videos very soon. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with all your friends, and if you get the discount, do let me know. I'm going to see you all next time with some informational video. Until next time.